Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the 10th EAP program in the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit, how to make a logic gate project using Microbit.
First, let's understand this program.
In this program, the inputs are the same, but the outputs will be different. First, the effect of the non-module. The LED goes off when the finger touches the touch sensor. Then look at the effect of the OR module. When the finger touches the touch sensor, the LED lights up. Different logic modules are used here. The rule and gate, only when all inputs are high. 1. The output is high. 1. Otherwise the output is low. 0. The rule of the OR gate, the output is high. 1. Whenever any of the inputs is high. 1. The rule of non-gate, invert the level of the input. If the input is high, 1, the output is low, 0, and vice versa. Next, we will use MakeCode to program the program. First, add an if logics block to determine the input digital voltage. Then, download the program to your Microbit and connect the logic, OR, and NOT blocks respectively. Press the touch sensor and you will see different results. This program and circuit works for both NOT and OR gates. Although the OR gate has 2 inputs, we will only use one input to control the output. Try pressing the touch sensor and you will see the difference. Now we have a task. Wake him up. Difficulty level, 3 stars. This task is about a boy who is sleeping heavily in class, and you need to shake him and call his name to wake him up. How can we simulate this situation with Microbit? We know that the A and D gate has 2 inputs. Connect the touch sensor and the sound sensor to the inputs, and you will wake him up only if you press the touch sensor and speak to the sound sensor at the same time. You can build your circuit according to the circuit diagram below. Now you have learned how to make a logic gate game with Microbit. Play it with your friends. We can expand on this project too. That's all for today's lesson. If you like our lessons, please follow our account and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.